Check out DJ Cass YouTube channel. Go on now. Kaboom!
Anywhere me pass to, mash up. Yo, one time we sit down and pray. Sometimes I wonder if, what if when me say step out, me did a step back? What if me never smoke weed and I smoke crack? What if me never master my craft? Business lock, wonder how them girl ya woulda react. What if me did a bleach fit on brown because me black? What if me tattoo me eye, me face, me neck and I'm back? What if me was the type of person fi murder me friend because him borrow me strap and not bring it back? What if me did a grab purse and a broke shop? Police pull me over and me vehicle full of shop. Big shootout, you say turf skull crack. Simple mean I woulda made this man the microphone a chat. What if we never have selectors on this track? You probably woulda never hear this track. What if when me say watch out for this, you never watch out for that? Me get the blessing from the Father up at top. You never know. What if your best friend turn you for? What if tomorrow morning Jamaica starts to snow? What if that's how the story go? Yeah, you never know.
Just reach Dubai, I don't know. Immigration officer, them white suit, not even one shit at the party. Spotless.
De Jamaica. Pero ahí colocame la gorra.
What if one day them never sell me out to the cops? What if me never get 6 months and come back? What if the thing set the next way and the boy with his conscience dead the next day? What if me stop DJ and chat about me war rap? What if me follow some of them fool at chat crap? What if tomorrow I shine find out say a career it a go flop and then a foot type she a feel link back? What if Jamaica never owe the IMF tax? What if the whole place crime free and the violence stop? What if JPS bill them stop kill we with shock and everybody get a raise up plate up them little cash? What if tomorrow morning everybody stop smoke and drink? No club, no party, no fun, what you think? Gotta come fast as you wink, dirty heart and wicked I go sink. Attack. You never know. What if your best friend turn you for? What if tomorrow morning Jamaica start to snow? What if that's how the story go? Yeah, you never know. What if you pray for pound and euro and you find yourself with a container full of dough? What if before you spend the first time your brain blow? Oh.